Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to create a makeup look for Christmas. Getting ready for Christmas dinner. If you do like this look and want to see how I achieve it, please keep on watching and let's play in makeup. I'm starting off using the Superfood Skin Drip by Youth to the People and adding the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream for hydration. I'm starting off with filling in my eyebrows to shape my face. Using the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape and the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer, I'll be outlining my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Gel to set my eyebrows. I'm using the Morphe Concealer in white as my eyeshadow base. I'm going into the PROconcealer palette and using this light shade to pack on the lid. Using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going into this red shade and applying it to my crease. Using these two shades in the PROconcealer palette, I'm applying it to my brow bone to blend out the red shade. I'm going back into the white concealer to create a cut crease. I'm reapplying that white shade to build up the pigmentation. I'm using MAC Black Track as my base and using the SUVA Beauty pigments in green to create my liners. Then went into the Danessa Myricks Lightworks palette. I went into the shade Kevyn and started packing that on my lid with my finger. I turned the light down so you can also see how that shade looks in dim lighting. I'm applying the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face to my skin so I have a nice illuminated look. I'm combining my concealers to create my color correction shade and applying that to my face. I'm setting these areas with powder, using the Born This Way concealer for highlighting. Using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick to contour. Using Fix Plus to hydrate and set my makeup. Using NARS for my foundation. Using Lower Mercier and Translucent, I'm setting my highlighted areas. Applying NARS Liquid Blush and Brazen to my cheeks. Setting my face with the KVD foundation powder. Using NARS Laguna 6 for my contour. Using MAC foundation powder to enhance my highlight. Going back into the BH Cosmetics palette for this dark green shade to apply it under my waterline. I'm creating an effortless blend. Using the NARS Orgasm palette, I'm going into these two shades and applying it to my cheeks. Applying the Benefit Fan Fest Mascara to my eyelashes. I'll be using the Ardell Fauxmink eyelashes in Motto 817. Using a Sephora lip liner and rosewood to line my lips. Next, applying Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. Topping everything off with the MAC lip gloss in Ruby Sparks. Using Urban Decay All Nighter to set my face. If you enjoyed this content, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!